You like this one or this one? This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, that was better.
I thought we the same kind of the same color.
But the thing is,
your chin wrinkle is so funny.
dude, it almost looks real. I have to do my chin wrinkle like this.
I used to be like, oh,
I thought you liked
why
it.
does women smell like makeup? Women should not smell like makeup.
No, this smells like baby powder.
That smells like baby powder on the bed.
Yeah. Like a mature
We
baby
need
powder.
to be talking about this while we're recording. So excited for this Korean barbecue.
Hey guys, it's Nami. I'm back with a mukbang.
Halloween, you know, we want to see what we look like.
Halloween
We're
at
older.
home.
I don't look like one of them.
So we're doing Korean barbecue. We have kimari, which
It's like vermicelli wrapped in seaweed and then deep fried.
almost tastes like gyoza.
But with noodles. Our side commentary is our friend Jamease. Koreatown and LA. They will put like mozzarella or cheese and then you eat it with the pork belly. It's really good. It's like the savory.
Some Instagram thing.
Because we thought it would be funny to look like little Korean ajumma. Or harmony.
Harmony is a grandma in Korean, and we're going for, you know, after church lunch vibe.
That's why we got the lipstick on. Sam is where it's like a wrap. So you're supposed to eat this as a wrap. So samjang is fermented bean paste and fermented pepper, like chili pepper paste.
Yeah. So we're gonna do another sam. Take a lettuce. Oh wait. Oh, here we go. And a kidney. Don't worry, it's not easily.
I'm gonna tell them in.
It kind of tastes like a little like minty,
Is that
like
stuff that they put
herby.
in stuff?
No.
No, it's
No.
different. Those are
That's real mint, right?
And then you want to put, yeah, that's real mint. Samjang, some garlic. The garlic is hella bomb. And put some meat. And you do it like this. And maybe throw a jalapeno on there. Like that. Don't choke. Because I almost did.
I don't really know what to order when I go to the restaurant. So.
Not so bomb. Like the kalbi, the short ribs, the marinated short ribs that people eat on here, they like that.
Or the
Or
marinated
the bulgogi.
We got the rest.
Korean people don't go to eat Korean food to eat bulgogi.
No.
That's very American.
Very American.
That one.
We like the traditional like pork belly or the
Chador.
brisket, the chador biggie. That's
Because
so
Korean
good.
is the one where they have like the rings and put like cheese and
Oh
stuff.
yeah.
And Korea is actually really thick. Yeah, but it's so like soft, so soft and like
They have something called black pork.
Hapjeji. It's really good. In Jeju Island, they have hapjeji, and we ate that too. It's really expensive. If you always want to stay safe, just get the pork belly, or you get the short ribs, or the bulgogi. I think you like that.
And they always got all these dishes on the side, and I don't know what the sauces is.
And with Korean barbecue, you have to have soju.
Crack that open.
This is what I learned when I went. You go like this.
This
You
time
have
open it in
to-
Korea.
You have to see the tornado in it. You see it? You see it?
Ooh.
You pop it like that, and then you open it.
And then not do that no champagne.
Why is it opening? Oh, look at it. And then supposedly all the bad stuff, I don't even know, goes to the top because it foams like this, and you wanna like that, like that.
And when you're serving alcohol, you want to use 2 hands.
But you're also not supposed to not pour your own shot.
This one's for you.
But you pour 3. Or if someone
Pour for
younger, you can hold one hand since we're friends like this. But if it's an elder, which I am,
We're elders
then,
right now.
then you do 2 hand. Then you can do 2 hand like this. And also when you drink in front of an elder, you turn away and drink.
Like, they don't really
Wait, you
use
guys take this
chasers.
by itself?
and they'll
Yeah.
just eat and
Chase
use the food
chase
as
it with
a chase.
yeah, chase it with food.
Chase it with your meat, huh?
You know what to do.
Cheers. Kombe.
That's cheers in Korean.
Kombe.
Kombe?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
I didn't look away.
Well, I have to look away because you guys are old.
Exactly.
Is there only one type of soju or is there a whole bunch of them?
There's a whole bunch of them. That's like saying,
No
is there one
wonder.
type of vodka?
Okay.
It's kind of like that.
The peach one.
See, I wouldn't even know
That
about
one's mom. Special delivery. Ooh, popcorn chicken.
It's just steaming.
it. Right.
I don't know.
That looks like it's going
I never had Taiwanese popcorn
Try it.
chicken. What's it taste like?
Because the breading is a little bit different.
It smells like
I'm just going to burn the top of my mouth.
mystery flavor to that. No food. Huh?
Or did you do that?
She brought us all kinds of food too. And look, hold on.
I feel like it's just a milk tea.
How do I put this? Oh.
Another shot.
Shot!
This is my style.
Babe!
She didn't finish it. I got small throat, remember?
You better open your throat. Come back.
17!
If you drink one or two of those, you'll be.
Dare to get.
I gotta lift it up. We are doing the dessert portion of this mukbang hour.
Dessert time. The D.
The D. So we have hot dog, and
It's like a pancake type.
Korean pancake with brown sugar. So if you go to an Asian store, look for that.
This is Oreo pepero. It's like Pocky sticks for Americans.
AKA strawberry pocky.
But this is the Oreo one. That's the strawberry one.
Couple mochi cakes. So it's like chocolate inside or on the outside with mochi in the middle. It's hella bomb.
Strawberry sundae Kit Kat. It's Japanese. I think
Yeah.
I
Japanese.
just
You
waxed
can only
one.
get those in the Asian stores or like Amazon, and they're like $6 a bag. But they're
Now,
With the bomb.
now I'm mad I even tried it because $6 a bag.
yeah. Sometimes I'll see it on sale for like $4.99. I'm like,
Those.
there's only like 12 in there.
Smart.
And then this is etiquette.
Let me find out.
It's like a Korean
Traditional like rice dessert.
yeah.
Rice juice dessert. It's not really juice.
Drink? I don't know if you can see the maybe you can see it. Like the rice. Oh, that's
Ooh.
cute.
But y'all's great here.
That looks really gross. That looks gross. Do this and chase it with this.
And Jamease, my friend,
That's
she
one of the
never
shots.
likes to taste anything. Come on.
Let's do a little cameo, okay, babe?
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Talking
This
of
is
this-
me.
I'll say hi to everybody. Because
She's the side commentator.
And she never tries anything that she doesn't know. But try this one.
no,
Just
that-
try it.
What is that?
Watch. I bet you you'll like it. Try
Okay,
it. Try
but
it.
what is that floating?
It's
Rice.
rice. Try it. Try it. This is really good.
She likes it.
Okay. It's about right. It's pretty good, y'all. I just don't know about like taking those rice pieces in my mouth.
It's kind of like pulp, but it's rice.
Yeah, I
But
like that.
it's made out of
It's like putting rice and water, bitch.
and sugar.
Let it soak.
And you know I love butter, sugar, and rice. That's my favorite thing.
Then you'll love this. Here, you can
Wait, what's in this?
Brown sugar and like honey.
honey.
But why does it taste like a tortilla?
Because it's wrapped in a like flour like pancake.
And it's like
And
fried.
not
This
tortilla?
soju is making me hot.
It's not tortilla. It's like dough.
Okay. I fucks with y'all. It's
Traditional.
pre-made.
Yeah, you just put it on a fry pan with a little bit of oil.
Mmm.
But what is this in the
Look.
inside?
It's honey and brown sugar.
This is so good. Look.
It's about right.
She doesn't ever try anything. But every time she eats it, she's like, it's about right.
Bitch, you mean to tell me I've been suffering my whole life?
You don't want to try anything.
I don't. There's mom, she's like, it's not raw. And like, I'm like, no, I like the one that's fried. She's like,
That's not sushi.
yeah. She's like, no, but it's the same thing. But it was actually,
That's not sushi.
yeah. I like sushi, but I don't.
These are pretty.
I don't really like Oreo stuff, so.
What?
Like Oreo. Robbie always gets Oreo stuff.
I don't know.
Like, what'd you say?
What planet are you from?
I just don't like Oreo stuff.
I like Oreos.
Try it.
I
I
don't
don't
like.
Oreos, but I love Oreos.
I like Oreos from time to
Okay.
time. I don't like Oreo stuff. I
I
don't
don't
like.
eat-
I don't
I
like.
like
I
the
think I
feeling
don't
of
like white
Oreos.
chocolate. I think that's what it is. I don't like white chocolate. I like chocolate.
Yeah, you do.
It's just sugar.
It's not chocolate. There's barely any chocolate in there.
All right, so it's tortillas.
Tortillas?
Everything's bleached, okay? We ain't supposed to eat that shit either. That's why I still have wheat bread. I'll be like, but I want white bread. I don't like the stuff with the nuts and the grains.
Because it's harder.
I'm like, I don't want to eat that. I'm like,
The
I'm
white
not
bread
gonna
is
eat
good because it's so soft.
I don't like it because it gets stuck on the roof of your mouth. And then you're like,
We're trying to get it out.
that. I love white bread. I ain't even
White
gonna
bread
lie.
is good.
as a gift, I'm just giving you a loaf of bread. Loaf of white bread.
I'm just,
Oh, it's mini strawberry cheesecake.
it's delicious.
I said strawberry sundae, bitch.
That's what
Strawberry sundae. Oh, look at the picture. That don't look like a cheesecake. It's strawberry ice cream on there.
I don't care what you guys say. That tastes like a tortilla, cuz. Y'all cheating. Y'all Koreans trying to say y'all made up some pancake shit. That's a tortilla.
Where's
Let
the
me
box?
find
Let
out.
me see.
Flour. Yeah.
Water.
Oh, pretty.
That's it.
It don't have none of that.
Glutinous rice powder. Tapioca
So
starch.
it's more rice than corn.
Yeah, it's not corn, bitch. There's no corn in here.
So
There's a-
stop trying to
It
make it a
flour, though. There's
tortilla.
flour, bitch. There's flour. Okay. All right.
This is really
We
good.
eat rice.
We eat rice for
Yeah.
breakfast,
and
lunch,
soup,
dinner.
rice, soup, kimchi, some meat. Mostly soup, like 된장찌개.
Soups and stews, girl.
stew.
I feel like I see a lot of thick Koreans.
Because they be eating
In
American
Washington,
food.
but when you go to Korea, they
They're
skinny.
They're skinny.
But they walk a lot in
Because I
Korea.
feel
We
like
don't walk.
this
We don't walk.
today with lettuce, like that should be a good solid meal.
But we
No,
don't
this
walk
is
here.
healthy.
We don't walk
Yeah.
here.
That's wrong.
Or is it that we're trying to be thick because that's what's in America?
I mean, thick and
Unhealthy is what's up in America. We're all about to die.
If you see like people that work out though, they want to be
I
thick.
got
Like
it.
I want to grow legs, I want to grow muscle, I want to grow width.
Because all these cheeseburgers.
You're like going.
What does that mean?
It means thank you. 감사합니다.
it means thank you, bitch.
감사합니다.
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 Yeah. 감사합니다. Is it coming out?
Can we?
I gotta get this down. Yeah. Got her.
Now you gotta shake it.
Now you have
Oh
to
my
give her
god,
back.
it's so
Snatch
itchy
her
in
wig.
here.
Snatch her wig.
It's so pretty. It's so natural. You guys, it's hot.
Bundle
it is
too,
hot.
bitch.
Oh. I'm gonna
Y'all got
have
them
to-
bundles, don't you?
We almost done with
No
this mukbang, so
bundles,
we
no
taking this shit off.
tracks.
It's hot.
Yeah, Sharon, when did you have
No
this so long?
fusions,
Is it bundles,
no
bitch?
It's real.
Bundles or not?
Nah.
My edges are free.
I'm so tired of drinking. I swear I've been drinking so much.
Cheers.
On here.
You got food in your lash, bitch.
I got a drink in my wig, bitch. Because I took a shot and it went all right here.
It's that small throat wasn't ready.
It wasn't.
You didn't even tell me.
I'm like, now my makeup's messed up and shit.
I don't know how people in mukbang can eat so much. Like they be eating like 5
You guys,
ramen
wait,
packs. Old in the face,
you
yeah.
guys are still pretty young.
Old in the face, young in the waist.
After my doctor
Yes.
told me I was young, we are young at 30 years old. Remember that.
We are. When we're
'Cause
40,
I was still like,
we're gonna
oh,
wish we
bitch.
were 30 again.
Wait till we get to like
I
50.
think it was
Oh,
because
that's
this
only if
fibroid
we make
hit
it
me.
to
I'm
that
like,
part.
oh hell no, I'm 30. I can feel it.
We are. I'm gonna be like at least 80.
With how my health is, I'm giving me to like 65. What is your guilty pleasure?
Sugar,
TV.
Weed and YouTube.
sugar,
Well,
TV
weed,
shows, TV
Weed
shows.
is
weed,
medicine.
snacks,
Snacks.
Guilty
It
pleasure.
used to be Hennessy.
Alcohol.
liquor.
Drugs.
Yeah,
Drugs.
You're a discretion advised.
no. I
Not the bad, not the really bad ones.
18 and up only
really
conversation.
bad
Just the fun ones from time to time.
Yeah, you better not be on no heroin, bitch.
What?
I'm glad. I'm
I'm
just
not
wondering.
cracking.
I'm just making sure.
I just like to live
Just
life.
making sure
you
you're
know?
not gatewaying it, like most
No,
people
fuck
say.
that.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Oh, shit.
Bye.
Oh.
I'm sure you gotta edit the shit out of this one.
Yeah, girl, I was talking over everything.
Gotta edit everything.
You better do some exercises to open that shit
Yeah,
up.
like this.